Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this purple semi-cut crease look here. I think it's really pretty. I really like this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then continue watching. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. So let's get into this look. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. The first color we're going to go into is this pink shade here. I find that when I pat the color on and then blend it out, I get better color payoff. So that's what I'm doing here. The next color we're going to go into is this purple shade here. I'm going to apply that right on top of that pink. And we're just going to blend. Guys, and I apologize, my camera straight played me. The amount of times my camera went in and out of focus is out of control, but hopefully you guys can still get the gist of what I'm doing here. Then I'm going in with this darker purple and I'm going to apply that to my outer V as well as my crease to deepen the look and make it a bit more smoky. If you really want to amp it up, you can apply a little bit of black, but I'm not going to. This purple worked just fine for me. And of course, I'm going to cut my crease. It wouldn't be a look for me if I didn't cut my crease. And then I like to blend out the outer parts of the cut crease just so that that purple and then the new lid shade will blend better. The lid shade I'm going to use is this light purple right here. Once I apply the lid shade, which I'm being very careful of because I don't want to disrupt the cut crease that I just created. So you want to be careful when you do apply your lid color. But I go back into that dark purple to blend out the dark purple as well as the light purple, just so everything flows better. And of course, I suck today at staying in frame, but I did apply the dark purple to my lower lash line, then black eyeliner, then mascara, and the look is complete. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.